Hey everyone, it's Ben with Sleep Sherpa and we're at the San Diego showroom. Today I want to highlight the Osaki OS-Pro Maestro LE Massage Chair. This is really the Cadillac of massage chairs. Retail price is $10,995. Of course, here at Sleep Sherpa we sell it for significantly less, a very aggressive deal. But I want to walk through some of the highlights of this massage chair and what sets it apart from the pack. So like I said, if you want the pinnacle, the best of the best, Osaki's where it's at. So I'm going to just pull into this thing and show you. So the first thing you'll notice is that when I sit down, the foot massager, you actually put your feet in all the way. So you get a little bit more of an intense foot massage than you would with one where it is exposed at the ends. So what you want to do is you just want to sit back in the massage chair, get comfy. You can also put your hands inside these flaps and notice that there's some perforation here. That's just for a more intense massage and kind of this acupuncture type feel. Osaki really thought of everything. And of course, they have just upgraded to a touchscreen display. With the older models, you would have a paddle that you would have to hold. This thing is all integrated. So I have all kinds of options here. I can choose a manual massage, focus on a specific area, or I can go with a preset massage in the auto mode, and it's giving me these 6 to choose from. So what I like to do is just go through the demo mode, and that's going to immediately put me into zero gravity. The other thing I can do is I can take my phone while it's massaging and just put it on this inductive charger. So I might as well just give my phone a good charge. The shoulder scanning here means it's basically just measuring the arch of my back to determine how intensive a massage I should start with. And of course, I can dial that up and down as I need to go. So I'm just going to put my hands in here. We're going to let it do its scanning. We're just going to enjoy the massage. The other nice thing about this is there are speakers to my left and right at my head. And so say there's some music I want to listen to, relaxing music, death metal, doesn't matter. Whatever your pleasure is, go for it. You just run it right off your phone. Okay, so now it's basically just saying if the shoulder position is incorrect, move it up and down. If it's fine, check, or it'll just start on its own. So again, it's putting me into zero gravity. And it will automatically move my legs down. Some of them are just a spring-loaded leg rest. This one actually has a mechanical piece to it. And so it's really just kind of stretching me out. Now I can feel it massaging my feet. This has one of the more intense massage features. I can wake up the screen, and a lot of people wonder, well, what does 4D mean? 4D is basically allows you to control the intensity and the frequency. So I can adjust how fast this roller is going up and down my back. And we can also adjust that strength. So there's a lot of different features here. So it will also tell me where it's working right now. It's massaging my calves, my hands, all sorts of options. And of course, if I do want to pause it, I can certainly do that. One thing I like about the Osaki is it has one of the most intense shoulder massages. A lot of massage chairs, they will massage, but it doesn't quite get in there as much as the Osaki. And you can turn it up even more intense than this. So if you want that kind of massage where you could even just crack your back a little, this is the massage chair for you. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pause this. That's going to deflate the airbags. I think you can hear them. We're going to go back home. We're going to look at some of the more advanced features. So this also has a heated roller, so it'll have heating. You can have it adjust the pump, all sorts of options there. Or you could just do a strictly air massage for certain parts of your body. So, you know, very versatile, or we could just do like a neck and shoulder, whatever you want to do. But I usually recommend people start with the auto. The stretch is also a nice one to try. So stretch is going to really, what it'll do is give you a traditional massage, but it's going to, at one point it's going to hold my back, and then it's going to bring my legs down and kind of stretch out my hips a little bit. And so you get that good stretch right where your hips are, and that stretch is really going to help with posture. It's going to just help loosen you out. You know, when we're sitting at desks all day, we're usually hunched over, and that part of our body does not get the correct stretch. So if you're not actively stretching that, it's called the psoas muscle, this is a good way to kind of open that up a little bit. So a lot of options there, but overall, you may be wondering, you know, is this machine worth the money? From a financing perspective, you can get it well under $300 a month, $200 a month. So if you consider the amount you spend at a masseuse, maybe on a monthly basis or weekly basis, it could be considerably more. With the Osaki, not only do you get a relaxing chair where I can just sit and watch TV, read a book, but I can do this massage as many times as I want during a day. So the value really adds up here. Now, one final thing I want to show you is if you come around to my right side here, there's a button area where I mentioned the USB port. And a lot of people, maybe they don't want to fiddle with a touch screen. You can just go into an auto mode. You can immediately go to zero gravity, pause, adjust your intensity of 4D, or simply turn it off. So if I push the off button, it's going to just bring me back into that neutral position so I can get out of the chair. So if I have to get up, run an errand, not a problem. Overall, I give Osaki one of the highest ratings. It's a Japanese massage chair. Japanese massage chairs are known for their craftsmanship, attention to detail, and really being able to dial in that massage. So head on over to Sleep Sherpa or swing by our showroom here in San Diego to check out the Osaki.